The word family, to refer to a group of related people. Immediate family, extended family, large family. She lives with her immediate family, her parents and siblings. They invited the extended family to the wedding celebration. He comes from a large family with 6 brothers and sisters, to indicate relationships and belonging. Then family member, family ties, family bond. Every family member contributed to planning the party. Despite the distance, their family ties remain strong. There's a strong family bond between the 2 sisters, to refer to a household or home unit, and family life, family home, family time. She values her family life more than her career. They return to their family home for the holidays. We set aside weekends for family time, to refer to a group with shared characteristics or origin. Language family, plant family, animal family. English and German belong to the same language family. And roses are part of the plant family Rosaceae. Lions and tigers are in the same animal family, to express close connection or unity, non-literal use. And work family, school family, like family. My coworkers feel like a work family to me. We're all part of the school family here. He's not a relative, but he's like family to us.